Charles Wood has spent his career studying HIV/AIDS. Along the way, he founded a new virology center at Nebraska. His work in the African nation of Zambia started out in an office.
When we first started, we don't have anything. We just had an office with my partner.
Zambia is ground zero for the AIDS epidemic, so the need for a research infrastructure was critical. Over 2 decades, Wood oversaw the building of a lab and clinic in Zambia and training for scholars and scientists.
It's very, very important to have sustained support, sustained collaborations, and sustained facility. If you don't have that, you're really not able to continue what you have started.
Whether it's research into viruses, food security, or education, a long-term approach is needed to tackle complex challenges.
Investments that have been made for decades in building research programs and investing in faculty and talent take 10 or 20 years to begin to see the real fruits of those investments, and we have a whole host of those around the campus.
The results of research are not always clear early on, but long-term commitment has the potential to change the world. For example, early research into gene editing technology could lead to advances in medicine and agriculture down the road.
These new techniques that we have allow us to understand the biology at the molecular level. Once we know what those reactions are, then we can begin to manipulate those systems with various genetic modifications that allow us to cope with those disease problems, be it in humans or plants or animals.
For Charles Wood, the return on investment includes advancements in disease treatment, prevention, and management.
The information we generated can have public health importance. And moreover, we're able to bring and teach or train the next generation of researchers. I think this is really what I'm proud of, changing the research, the atmosphere, and be able to help the people.